हाँ शिवानी टू में से एक इधर शिफ्ट हो ताकि वो चेयर खाली हो जाए। ये वाली खाली कर लिया, वो वाली ये वाली खाली नहीं छोड़नी है, अपना लैपटॉप ऑन कर। और फिर वहाँ से देगा कौन, वहाँ से देगा कौन, देना किससे देना तो मुझे करना, वहाँ से उतार के सीधा देना। अच्छा मेरे को वहाँ से उतारना पड़ेगा उसे। चलो लाइव में हाँ मैसेज नहीं आया कोई। नहीं मैसेज नहीं आया।
बस अभी तक एक क्लास हुई है।
अच्छी बात है तो।
हाँ बात तो अच्छी है।
हाँ
वही ऑब्जर्व करा जो करा है।
हाँ हमेशा से एक क्लास में ऑब्जर्व करता है।
अब तो होगी भी नहीं है, हो सकती है
1 बजे के 12:30 के आसपास। सही है। तो मैं उसके बाद कुछ और करना है।
प्रोग्राम हो गया
शपथ के बाद
उसके बाद मैं तो फ्री मैं इधर उधर देखता रहूँगा कि हल्की नहीं होगी किसी को
तो मैं भी बैठूँगा।
देख कुछ नहीं होगा अगर सीट फुल हो जाएगी तो बैठ जाएगा।
अच्छा, क्योंकि ना जब हमसे शर्मा सर आएंगे तो हम कंसल्टेशन उनके बाद ना हमें वो देना है, लैपटॉप देना है, मतलब मुझे देना है। तो बस मुझे याद करा देना कि इंट्रोडक्शन वाला लैपटॉप का है, ठीक है? अगर याद हो जाए तो जी मैं करके तो मैं कंप्लीट कर लूँगी।
उधर बैठ के अपना लैपटॉप देंगे। MS Teams आएगा ना ऑनलाइन पार्टिसिपेंट्स है नहीं क्लास करते नहीं है
क्या?
क्लास करते लेते हैं।
हाँ, मैं घर से देख लेंगे। तो मैं घर पे घर से ली थी ना तुम्हारी वीडियो ऑफ थी।
मैं रेडी हो रहा था।
अच्छा, मैं तो रेडी होने के 7:30 बजे उठी, उसके बाद मैं क्लास की।
जल्दी जाना था वही है क्या बोलते हैं रात को मैं सो नहीं सो गया लेकिन सुबह से कुछ खा लूँगा नहीं घर जाकर मैंने 7:30 8 के आसपास थोड़ा है मील खा लिया वो सुबह से मैंने घरी से जो भी चपाती के साथ तो खा ली तो 9 बजे के आसपास जर्नल वर्नल लिख के मैं सो गया रात को। मम्मी ने कहा डिनर करके सो जा। मैंने कहा नहीं अभी भूख नहीं है। तो 10:30 बजे जो सोया ना सुबह 7:45 बजे उठा जल्दी से जाकर मैं नहा के आया पगड़ी बांधी सुना ना दाढ़ी बांधनी होती है।
अच्छा,
ऐसे प्रोग्राम में मैं ऐसे हिंदी गुंदी छोड़ के नहीं आती अजीब लगेगी हर जगह का देखना पड़ता है उधर भी नहीं बैठ सकता कैमरा ऑन करके। तो 8:15 अभी जब वो स्प्रे लगाते हैं ना उसको थोड़ा ट्रिप लेने में भी टाइम लगता है इसलिए मैंने इंश्योरेंस को मैसेज कर दिया मैंने प्लीज़ अलाउ मी टू स्विच ऑफ माई वीडियो आई एम गेटिंग रेडी फॉर टीवी रेडी हो गई। मैंने तभी को मैसेज कर दिया था मैंने कि आदित्य बोले मैंने पहले बता दिया मैंने मैम से बात हो गई है मेरी वीडियो अभी मेरे को ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं इतनी जल्दी रेडी नहीं होता
कुछ दिन के लिए।
भाई यहाँ से थकने जाती है रात को लेट ही सोएगी सुबह 6 बजे उठना नहीं है
वो तो है।
और वैसे इतनी ठंड नहीं है
हमें छोड़ेंगे कभी ये लोग।
अब प्रोग्राम खत्म होगा उसके बाद तुम तो फ्री हो बस ये कहेंगे थोड़ा बहुत थोड़ा पीछे जाना वो हो गए 3 साढ़े 3 बजे
मैं फाइल बनानी शुरू होती है अंडरस्टैंडिंग डिसिप्लिन की ना।
घर जाकर टाइम मिलता है
हाँ, मैं घर जाकर बनाती हूँ। टाइम क्या मिलता है, बनानी पड़ती है।
तो टाइम नहीं मिलता मैं तो ये सब FTP के बाद ही कर पाऊँगा PSC खत्म हो जाएगा
तब तक ज़्यादा लेट हो जाएगा।
ये लेट तो मिलेगा बट उसके टाइम भी तो मिलेगी यहाँ से जाकर 2 ट्यूशन लेनी होती है मैंने
अच्छा, तुम ट्यूशन पढ़ाते हो तो 1 घंटा
1 घंटा यहाँ से पढ़ा के जाते हैं अगर दोबारा तो ऑनलाइन रास्ते में आते हैं ना
अच्छा।
मैं यहाँ से रास्ते में जाते जाते उसको पढ़ाते ही जाता हूँ 1 घंटा उसके बाद नेक्स्ट तभी मैंने मोतीनगर की ट्यूशन लेनी थी ना, पास में ही है। आपका भी यही आस पास ही है?
मेरा तो पास में ही है, 10 मिनट लगते हैं यहाँ से बस।
पंजाबी बाग में?
पंजाबी बाग में शकरपुर लांच में।
ये तो रहा
हाँ यहीं पे भी बस।
ये नागलोई वाली साइड पर?
नागलोई वाली साइड?
नागलोई
नागलोई ना?
हाँ हाँ
हाँ मतलब वो भी पास में ही है।
रानी बाग?
हाँ रानी बाग ज़्यादा पास है, कार से आके 10 मिनट लगता है बस।
मेरा भी यही है, 2 फ्लाईओवर शाहजपुर डिपो और आ गया मोतीनगर में उतरते ही मार्केट आ गया, रिंग रोड पे यहाँ आ गया बस।
स्कूटी से या बस से?
घर पे 3 ऑप्शन खड़े हैं, स्कूटी बाइक तक। सुबह पापा से एक चीज़ पूछता हूँ, पापा आज करने जा रहे हो? तो वो एक लेके जाते हो, 2 ऑप्शन में से मेरे पास सोच होती है, खुद कहता है गाड़ी ले जा। पर इसका फ़ोन आ रहा था जसमीत का ना, तो मैंने कहा यार लेट हो जाऊँगा गाड़ी में ना, 5 मिनट फालतू लगते हैं, गाड़ी आप शॉर्टकट में नहीं घुसा सकते। मैंने कहा 5 मिनट की जगह जाना, और बाइक में भी ना, बाइक में मेरे पास हुआ बुलेट है, हैवी बाइक है, उसको भगा नहीं सकते। बस जल्दी आ रहा था स्कूटी में।
बुलेट मैंने सीखी थी चलानी।
यार उसमें ना ये चीज़ होती है, भगाने को कोई भाग सकती है, बट उसमें जैसे होता है
मुझे डर लगता है।
हैवी बाइक है ना, कभी कभी को कोई ऐसा कट मार रहे हो, वेट एक साइड पे आ जाए। तो इट डिपेंड्स, अगर मेरे पास खुला टाइम है तो मैं गाड़ी में आता हूँ, थोड़ा फ्लेक्सीबल है तो बुलेट पे आता हूँ, बहुत कम टाइम है स्कूटी।
मुझे स्कूटी और बाइक से तो डर लगता है, क्योंकि शायद जब बनाना होता है ना, तो मुझे डर लगता है कि सिर्फ ठोक गया तो मैं गाड़ी से
Education is the key that unlocks all the doors, unlocking the world for us and giving a passport to freedom. As quoted by Mahatma Gandhi ji, by education we mean all-round drawing of the best in child and man, in body, mind and spirit. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. The moment we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. We have gathered here to discuss about the promulgation done by the Government of India in July 2020 to strengthen the previous national policies on education. In order to bring changes in current Indian education system, the idea of this event is to bring together the educators, policymakers and administrators to confer on how new education policy 2020 will bring new educational reforms in Indian education system. In view of all of this, a faculty development program has been organized by Guru Nanak College of Education in order to bring all the stakeholders, academia, experts, social scientists, peace educators, activists and budding scholars on one platform to discuss the presence, need, promotion and introduction of NEP and its impact on teacher education system in India. To blaze a trail, the Guard of Honor presented by the students of Guru Nanak College of Education. A true visionary knows the art of seeing the invisible and impossible and direct every situation towards a new personality. We virtually felicitate our chief guest of the event, the visionary leader who has the capacity to translate vision into reality, a member of the Shrimani Akali Dal, former member of the Delhi Legislative Assembly, President of Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee, Sardar Manjinder Singh Sirsa ji. and our visionary leader, Sardar Harmeet Singh Kalkaji, member of the Delhi Legislative Assembly from the Kalkaji constituency of the South Delhi and General Secretary of Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee. Each person has the potential of making a positive impact on the world. It all depends on what you do with what you have. We virtually welcome you with a warm gratitude. We extend our warm welcome to our chairman, sir, visionary of our institution, Sardar Tejmeet Singh Sethi ji, along with our guest of honor, renowned educationist, Professor M.C. Sharma, and the eminent governing body members, co-chairman Sardar Daljinder Singh Kohli ji, manager Sardar Rajinder Singh ji, senior vice chairman Sardar Harvinder Singh Anand ji, vice chairman Bibi Dilbeer Kaur, vice chairman Sardar Jagmohan Singh Kochar ji, and our principal ma'am, Dr. Jyoti Bhalla. A huge round of applause for our esteemed guests for the day. I would also like to wholeheartedly welcome the team of educators and participants present today for this faculty development program, either physically with us or virtually. A great welcome to all in making this event an affair to remember. As Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, that everything happened by God's grace. God knows better what is right or wrong for each one of us. Hukum Razai Chalna, Nanak Likhiya Naal. To honor our Guru's teachings and begin the event with the blessings of divine, our students would like to recite a Shabad. I request you all to kindly cover your heads for the blessings.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਐਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕਰੋ ਮਨ ਮੇਰੇ, ਐਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕਰੋ ਮਨ ਮੇਰੇ, ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਜਾਨੂ ਮੇਰੇ, ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਜਾਨੂ ਮੇਰੇ, ਐਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕਰੋ ਮਨ ਮੇਰੇ, ਐਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕਰੋ ਮਨ ਮੇਰੇ। ਮਨ ਮੈਂ ਸਿੰਚੂ ਹਰਿ ਹਰਿ ਨਾਮ, ਮਨ ਮੈਂ ਸਿੰਚੂ वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Thank you everyone for being such a blissful audience. Let's begin our program for the day with the lamp lighting. The light in the world comes principally from two sources, the sun and the student's lamp. So let's embark upon today's event with lighting of required lamp. I request our honorable guest, Chairman Sir Sardar Tejmeet Singh Sethi ji, accompanied by our guest of honor, Professor M.C. Sharma, and all the dignitaries, Sardar Daljinder Singh Kohli ji, Sardar Harvinder Singh Anand ji, VP Dilpreet Kaur, Sardar Tarun Singh Kochar ji, and our principal ma'am, to kindly proceed for lighting of the lamp, with the desires of emitting the light and dispelling the darkness around every side. We light the lamp. The light of the lamp brings towards the dais after lighting the lamp. The light in the world comes principally from two sources, the sun and the student's lamp. With the desires of emitting the light and dispelling the darkness around every side, we light a lamp. Salutations to the light of the lamp bring auspiciousness and prosperity. Always lighting a lamp before any occasion brings warmth and shine around the surroundings. We want the darknesses to be removed and all the good things to come as a blessings to us. Let the light shine and the darkness of ignorance be gone. I request all the dignitaries to kindly proceed towards the dais, please. Kindly put your hands together for our guests, the torch bearers of our esteemed college. Please declare it should not stop. It's winter's time, we can do a little more clapping. On behalf of Guru Nanak College of Education, we would like to welcome our guests with a small token of love. I request our principal ma'am to please felicitate our guests. I request to please give the sapling to Chairman Sir Sardar Tejmeet Singh Sethi ji. Please continue clapping. Please clap for them. Thank you so much, sir. Our guest of honor, Professor M.C. Sharma, sir. Our co-chairman, Sir Daljinder Singh Kohli ji. I request ma'am to please felicitate Senior Vice Chairman Sardar Harvinder Singh Anand ji. I request our principal ma'am to please felicitate the Vice Chairman VP Dilpreet Kaur ji. And and I request our Vice Chairman, sir, our Principal Ma'am, to please felicitate our Vice Chairman, Jagmohan Singh Kochar ji. Thank you so much, everyone. With great honor, we would like to request Bibi Dilbeer Kaur ji to please felicitate our Principal Ma'am. She is a visionary and a true leader whose actions inspire us to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. You are our rightful leader, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you to all the dignitaries present here and others who are connected with us through the online mode. We welcome everyone connected with us in this faculty development program. Thank you. Your presence marks here a new chapter in the history of Guru Nanak College of Education. We all know a dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. We take immense privilege and honor in informing about the release of our GNCE journal, The Transforming Teacher Education in Changing Scenario 2020. It includes the in-depth analysis of what causes the students to do better, and it was analyzed in with the context and brought out as a journal. It is always released with the ISSN number. It is a peer-reviewed journal which aims to create an interface with different levels of education, aiming to encourage multidisciplinary, comparative, praxis-based analysis in the domain of teacher education. Let us give a huge round of applause for this historic movement, the release of the Transforming Teacher Education in Changing Scenario, prepared by GNCE. It converges well with the regional and the global trends around. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Now I would request our faculty, assistant professor, and the coordinator of faculty development program, Ms. Ankita Masi, to kindly introduce us to NEP.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, the visionary Honorable Professor M.C. Sharma sir, our constant support throughout this journey, respected governing body members, our mentor and source of inspiration, respected Principal Ma'am, participants and GNCE members, a very warm welcome in this cold month of January to you all. Friends, in the recent times, our institution has achieved phenomenal heights. We are facing a difficult phase of coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, and yet we have gathered here with the intention to shape a better education system. The FDP will be enlightening for all of us regarding new education policy NEP 2020. The National Education Policy 2020 has been approved by the Union Cabinet on 29th July 2020. NEP is the first education policy of the 21st century, which aims to address the many growing developmental imperatives of our country and is aligned to the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The National Education Policy 2020 is built on the foundational pillars of access, equity, quality, affordability, and accountability. NEP 2020 recommends many transformational ideas for school education. The new NEP will change the face and future of teacher education in India as well by introducing Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP. In view of all this, a faculty development program is organized by Guru Nanak College of Education in order to bring all stakeholders, academia, experts, social scientists, peace educators, activists, and budding scholars representing leading universities, institutions, organizations across the world on one platform to discuss, assess the presence, need, promotion, and introduction of NEP and its impact on teacher education system in India. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. As John F. Kennedy quotes, the goal of education is the advancement of knowledge and the dissemination of the truth. The aim of this FGP is to create a space where we engage the stakeholders and brainstorm the idea of schooling in the 21st century. I would now like to request our worthy principal ma'am, whose continuous guidance makes us to do better in this field, I would request her to formally launch this one-week FGP.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. By Brian Herbert. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected participants and dear students. In the last few years, as an institution, this college has evolved and transformed under the guidance of our mentors. In Guru Nanak College of Education, we have been implementing new techniques to improvise qualitative education. We are thankful to our management and also believe to grow further and further with their continuous support. Guru Nanak College of Education takes immense pleasure in hosting this one-week faculty development program. Indeed, it is being organized in the college premises with the provision of online participation as well. In this one-week program, with 8 sessions by 9 influential speakers who will be enlightening us with the National Policy 2020 objectives. The key speakers will be briefing us about the ITEP in new education policy, remarkable challenges faced by NPE in bringing changes in school education, and the insights about the curriculum and pedagogy in education system. Some of our resource persons are gracing the occasion with their presence in person, while some would be connecting through online mode. They all will be addressing the key points, strategies for implementation, related issues, and sharing sweeping changes by incorporating the guidelines laid down by NPE 2020. So now it's a privilege to officially announce and launch this faculty development program. May the excitement of today stimulate you. May its delight surround you. And may the companionship that we share during the program create beautiful memories and magical moments while learning. Thank you.
Since we have formally launched and officially announced, we would definitely be seeking the blessings of our mentors, who are our constant support system. So I would request, it is an auspicious moment as we are already connected, so I would request our chairman, Sir Siddharthesh Meet Singh Sethi ji, to please come on the stage and enlighten us with the question first.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. First of all, I thank Professor MC Sharma ji, who has raised this occasion. We are very grateful to him. The whole institution is grateful to him. Whatever I heard of him, he is a man of great chemistry. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. And honorable my management committee members. And I'm very grateful to all of you to give me the honor to inaugurate this seminar. And I also take this occasion to thank the principal, who's doing a very good job. And I really want to again congratulate her. She has taken all our worries. We don't have to worry much about it. We are just here to sign. And I would request Professor Sharma ji to be a mentor, to guide us, and with all his intelligence to help us to take this education, to take this college further into good and high spirits. Thank you so much.
Now I would request our co-chairman, Sir Sardar Daljinder Singh Kohli ji, to please come on the stage and grace us with your presence.
This is a very good opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Sharma, for gracing us with this, with your presence here, and I hope your mentorship will continue in growing this institute further. Wish you all the best and have a good time.
I would request our Senior Vice Chairman, Sardar Harvinder Singh Anand ji, to please illuminate us with your few words.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਦੇਣਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਖਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਉਣਾ। ਮੈਂ ਦੋ ਚਾਰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ। ਮੈਂ ਆਨਰਡ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਥਰੂ ਇਹ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਜੀ ਵਰਗੇ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਾਂ, ਤੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਨੇ ਮਿਸਿਸ ਪਤਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਆਫਰ ਨਾਲ ਗੇਮ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ। ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਬੜਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਔਰ ਆਨਰਡ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਮੋਸਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਫॉर ਐਨੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਰੋਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਸਕਿਆ। ਆਈ ਫੀਲ ਆਨਰਡ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਯੂ ਗੈਟ ਆਲ ਦ ਸਕਸੈਸ ਇਨ ਯੂਰ ਦਿਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Now I would request our Vice Chairman, Bibi Dilbeer Kaur ji, to please share your valuable words with us.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਿਵਿਲੇਜ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਾਂ, ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਜੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੀ ਵਾਸਟ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੈ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ। I wish all the success to this event.
Last but not the least, I would request our Vice Chairman, Sir Sardar Jagmohan Singh Kochar ji, to please felicitate and enlighten us with your words.
Thank you, and share the Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. It's a great pleasure. I am feeling proud to be here to say some words towards the college and towards the management. But especially to the Sharma ji, thanks to and Dr. Balla, who is taking a great care to run the institute with a great dignity and all that. With the small members, small students strength we have. Now we have to see how to quality of the education of already we are maintaining it, and now we have to see how to increase the capability of our this institute and all that, and how we can increase this further to increase its strength and all that. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for such inspiring and motivating words. I'm certain with such positive reinforcement, we'll soon reach a very greater heights. The other aspect of this event is the renowned educationist, Professor M.C. Sharma sir. He's the Senior Professor of Education and also a Project Director of UNICEF Project on Teacher Education. He's a gold medalist in MSc, M.Ed, M.Phil degree of Delhi University. He completed his PhD in Science Education. He was awarded by TCTP Award by UK government and served as Educational Technology teacher education, science education, and educational media production for 6 years. He has published large numbers of research papers and research articles. He has also written books in various areas of education and guided large number of PhD scholars. Dr. Sharma has visited more than 31 countries and was team leader in China, UK, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Canada, New Zealand and Thailand for innovation in curriculum of teacher education. UNESCO assignment. He's a project director of UNICEF project on teacher education. He's a member of NCTE, MHRD, NCRT, ICSSR, UGC. In addition to this, he's a member of management and the advisory board of various universities in India and abroad. Currently, he's the director of teacher education program in Middle East countries and Mauritius, and program director of postgraduate diploma in school leadership and management program for principals, head teachers developed in collaboration with Commonwealth Secretariat, London. His contribution in distance education, particularly in science and teacher education, is well appreciated in more than 52 national and international conferences, where he participated as chairperson and research paper contributor. So, my words might shortfall for this, but your achievements are not going to shortfall for that. So he's going to give the keynote address for today. We are honored to have you as a resource person, sir. We look forward to get better insights for your vast knowledge. So please give a huge round of applause for Mr. MC Sharma, sir. I request, sir, to kindly honor us with your presentation. Please give a huge round of applause for sir to enlighten us with small words.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. It's my privilege to be here. Very esteemed members of the management of this reputed college. Madam, member of the management committee, and I can understand very well when any lady is in the management committee will be very strong one. And Dr. Jyoti is really very competent, and you all are feeling grateful having such a competent principal. I will have 5-10 minutes to share about this college before the management committee. Then of course we'll follow a technical session where we'll talk about the National Education Policy 2020, where I was involved in drafting the policy through NCTE. So we'll concentrate more on teachers and teacher educators. Sir, madam, let me share with you, I am really over-enthusiastic, but share the fact of this college also. I am a member of various committee of IP University and got an opportunity to be member of Gurdwara 6 Management Committee to draft various norms, rules and regulations for appointment of faculty and non-teaching staff. When I came first time for inspection in this college, we not exactly de-recognized, but the recommendation was towards de-recognition. Being a chairman of that committee, I requested the other members of committee that this college, I can see a sense of satisfaction will be at the top. Don't recognize certain things which need to be improved, will be improved. When we came again, Dr. Jyoti was there, the director was there, and really I have no words of appreciation. The action of this college really speaks about that. We were so happy that we have given the highest grade to this college, A grade. And this college is considered as one of the best colleges under IP University. Friends, I feel very happy and satisfied to find various activities performed by this college. Although we have to talk about the national education policy and whatever input we have given, this college has already initiated those input, and one of the important thing is the faculty development program, FDP. And I really feel very happy to share with you all, especially the management of this college. I do share whenever we have a academic council meeting in IP University and other central university also, and I quote this college, one of the model college for teacher education. And when the national education policy is there, we have to identify nodal centers for teacher education in service programs for the professional development of teacher educators, and I hope that this college will get definitely an opportunity to be nodal center. Very recent topics are there. I was just going through, glancing over the Journal of Education. Recent research journal was there. And we have recognized so many journals in UGC, University Grant Commission. But all these journals have very low quality level. But I could see the title of the paper published in this journal really is in need of ours. And this all comes, credit goes to the chief editor, Dr. Jyoti Bhalla. She has really worked very hard in selection of the paper. Now coming to the output of this college. Because sometimes you provide a very good quality of education, but the society doesn't recognize that quality. Society only recognizes when the effect of your quality comes through your action. And the teachers which are trained through this college, when we come for inspection also, we ask for how many of the teachers had got a proper placement. And the teachers got placement in a very reputed schools. And some are also going ahead with higher qualification like ML in prestigious universities. This speaks the quality of education imparted by this college. So, as a professor, this is our weakness when we keep on talking at least 1 hour is needed. But now I stop that and come to the technical aspect. In technical aspect is the National Education Policy 2020. There are so many things. You have seen the Prime Minister is talking, Minister is talking, so many things in higher education, medical education. We being a college of teacher education, we concentrate very specifically on teacher education. And our main concern of teacher education, and ultimately we are going to be teachers, our students are going to be teachers, so special recommendation for teachers. I will concentrate on that. So for the technical session, now ICT is playing a very important role. I can talk without ICT, but it's an online program going on. So I request Dr. Jyoti Bhalla, I got a PowerPoint. I'm not so powerful. PowerPoint is there, so we can have it, and then because I have taken short introduction because management members are very busy. So after that we can go for. Thank you so much, sir. I feel privileged to see you all. Such a nice. बात करता हूँ मीटिंग में
शर्मा सर बोलेंगे। और जो एमपी शर्मा सर की जो डेजिग्नेशन है जो हमने कर रखा है वो भी सब हमें मिल जाएगा, है ना? तो मतलब मेन हमें यहाँ से लिखना है। अगर ये फालतू में लिखा हमने तो सारा नहीं। हाँ हमें करना है
स्टेप लाइटिंग तक का उसमें लिखा है और वेलकम किया।
हमें सब लिखना है या लास्ट ईयर की तरह ही लिखना है?
लास्ट ईयर की तरह लिखना होगा। लाइक ना हम ये बनाएंगे, इसमें से फिर कुछ कुछ निकाल के वो बनाएंगे, इसमें से निकाल के हम लिखना तो सब कुछ ही होगा।
Okay. So, welcome you all for this faculty development program. We have today we talk about the national policy, national education policy 2020. My voice audible? Yes, sir. Online is no problem.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Ensure that you is audible to other side. So national education policy, as I mentioned in the introductory remarks, the national education policy 2020 covered so many aspects, all the aspects, and one of the faculty members nicely mentioned the essential aspect of that: equity, accessibility, all-round development, so many things. But today, I will concentrate the recommendation of national education policy specifically with reference to teachers, teacher educators, and especially the research aspect and ICT integration. So let's talk why I am talking of teachers. So ultimately, the teacher educator are engaged in producing very competent and effective teacher. Therefore, we have to concentrate on teachers also. What should be the essential recommendation for the teachers? So after your completion of your pre-service program, you will be a teacher. So let me share first with the So first talk about the teachers, and we talk about the teachers, we talk about the service condition of teachers, how the teachers are to be recruited, and when the teachers are in a school, how to take care of the quality aspects as far as the service condition. So when the recruitment of teachers are there, the national policy has made clear-cut recommendation. They should be merit-based teachers. Teachers should be competent, and the admission basically should be merit-based. For that, they have kept a provision to provide incentive to have a quality teachers, and for that, merit-based scholarship will be provided not at the urban level, but even to rural areas also. The very first recommendation to have a native teacher all over the country. We should not only concentrate on this urban level, cities and towns, but even the villages also. So for that, sometimes what happens, students are there, teachers are good at the rural side also, but they don't get the opportunity. So to promote them, there is a merit-based scholarship program, and made it very interesting for all of them, and then of course the fully integrated program. Then after that, to ensure that the teacher should feel comfortable, it is very nicely mentioned in the NEP 2020 that excessive teacher transfer should be stopped. What happens sometimes, due to political reasons, these transfer keep on doing, especially in a large state like Rajasthan or place. Most of the people are concerned with the transfer process, and they get disturbed. So merit-based transfer is a very, very important one. The teachers should not be transferred all the time. And then online computer system is a very important, just to ensure whether the transfer is really done in a justified way or not. Then, of course, we are familiar with the TEP, teacher eligibility test. But TEP, for the time being, restricted to elementary teachers. Now it will be open to secondary and senior secondary teachers also. So, same, sometimes what happens, you are in a very good school, but due to financial crisis, you can't have a teachers, of a very standard one. Therefore, the NEP has made a provision that teachers can be shared. If you are a good teacher, your teacher faculty can also visit other schools also. The sharing of teachers across the school is also considered in the NEP. Technology-based comprehensive teacher requirement planning, because sometimes what happens, we have B.Ed students. We have 100 seats for each college. In some of the states, we can have more than 10,000 training teachers available, but the vacancies are only 1,000. So the demand and supply aspect is very, very important. So to reflect the required number of seats, we will not consider how many seats will be given to one college, according to the requirement of the state, those seats will be allotted, and therefore the technology-based comprehensive teacher recruitment planning will be done, and the pre-service colleges seats will be decided accordingly, so that whenever the student complete their PhD, no one should remain unemployed. Therefore, this policy has given a recommendation for it. Again, to improve their service conditions. Another important thing is that we have to provide basic facilities. When we talk about quality education, expectation from a teacher, quality education, the basic things must be made available to them. For them, educate and safe infrastructure. Safe infrastructure, not only in terms of the building, gas, etc., but also in terms of the technology. All the hardware required for technology should also be there. And the student teacher ensure, especially those students who are discriminating in terms of the gender and in terms of the disability, should also be taken care. Therefore, the service condition, whenever you are seeing the 2-year B.Ed program, the 2-year B.Ed program is different from 1-year B.Ed program. In what way? The only difference is that we are training our teachers to get program, but the 2-year B.Ed. Earlier it was for general students. Therefore, it is very important to train teachers for inclusive education. That's special emphasis there. Therefore, we will continue. 2-year integrated B.Ed program will also continue. 4-year integrated B.Ed program. School complexity, because sometimes so many other psychological problems have already been taken bad effect on our students. And stress is there, and due to corona, so many abnormal behavior is there. Therefore, it is also required that the school, in addition to the teacher, we must have a provision of counselors. It's not limited for one school or one counselor. The counselors can be shared. The shared counselor, social worker, because social service is also very important, community services, technical and maintenance of staff, is a further support to the teacher. Then, again, to empower teachers, it's recommended the teachers should also be a member of the governing body. Governance is a very important aspect, and more teachers are to be involved in governance. Teacher will not be engaged or any other work other than the academic. You being a teacher of a very good city of a country, capital, you may not be given chance. But in other states also, because national education policy is for the whole country, they are involved in various activities during election time also. For example, the pandemic was there, they were involved in distribution of food, etc. That's a good thing, but the teaching work will suffer. Therefore, it has been recommended in NEP that it should be again ensured that teacher will not be engaged any longer in work other than the academic teaching work. And the teacher will be engaged, will provide opportunity to carry out good practices and innovations and research also. Therefore, teacher will be recognized for adopting novel pedagogies. And for that, the provision of not only the time, provision for incentive also given. This is way how the service condition of teacher will be improved. I won't talk about the salary, and salary will also be ensured, because unfortunately, not only teachers, teacher education institutions salary are not provided according to the norms, so it should also be ensured. Then, another important thing kept for quality teachers and for teacher education was CPD, Corporate Professional Development. This college has already initiated the CPD, Faculty Development Program, in a form of CPD, Corporate Professional Development. But the national education policy has made it compulsory and that the 50 hours in one day, in 15 hours, in 1 year, one has to complete continuous professional development. For your faculty development program is per week, for 6 hours, then 6 multiplied by 42, and then another 8 hours you do a practical, then 50 hours. So 50 hours CPD modules will be provided, and every teacher has to complete it every year. It's not for the teacher, we recommend faculty development program in terms of the CPD for teachers, principals, and management people also. Sometimes when teachers and principals, they also request for faculty development program, they say no. So the management also need to be upgraded, and the requirement of teachers CPD, the latest development. So the NEP has recommended that not only the principal, school complex leaders, even the management people should also undergo the professional development program. Although I am not considered there in the education policy, but the teacher is selected for a professional development program. And teacher, by one chance, sometimes you don't be interested to attend that because of certain problems also. And then, if your management is stopping you to attend the professional development program, then the management will be punished. But if a teacher, by personal reason, doesn't attend the program, then there was a provision for punishment of teacher, we say no. Teacher should not be punished. So what is there? The provision is if the teacher is not in position to attend the program, then the incentive will not be provided to the teacher. Those who have attended professional development program, the sort of incentive in terms of increment is also provided, just to promote teachers to have a continuous professional development program. Then again, for all these measures, what is more important to have a good standard, professional standards for teachers. So school teachers, and I will come to the teacher educator also, and both for that the national education policy will be defined for establishing a national professional standard for NPST body. Will be developed, and this NPST body, national professional standard for teachers, will be taken care of in consultation with the NCTE for teacher education. NCTE, we all know the National Council for Teacher Education, so I am professional standard setting body, and a new body will be established, PSSP, what is our professional standard setting body. NCTE will give recommendation, these professional development and the standard should be written this way, and this body will ensure every year and will give a certificate to the teacher that this standard is there, and the technology will be used for. And finally, the General Education Council. In addition to the NCERT, SC, RT, and NCT, another council will also be there. And this council will also ensure a personal standard. And members of this council will be the experts, and of course the experts will be expert body like NCERT, NCT, university, and quality teacher educators. So the basic purpose was to have a professional standard over the teachers. So up till now, I talk about the teachers. So when you are going to complete your BA and you are engaged with the school and the in-service teachers, these are the important aspects in the teacher care. Now I am coming to your teacher education. In teacher education, very specific condition I will be talking. One special recommendation by 2030. The 4-year integrated program will be introduced in all the 2030. Don't get scared because still more time is there, 9 years. So 4-year integrated program will be there. And this 4-year integrated program will be in the multidisciplinary course. Now what is happening? We have B.Ed, but in addition to B.Ed, we have a B.Ed also. We used to give a 4-year integrated, but to have a financial support to the management of the college. We recommend that if any college is going at the BSc or BBA or PCA, they can also offer only integrated program because the faculty can be shared and faculty can also be comfortable or getting a norm-based salary also. So multidisciplinary colleges will also be promoted to have only integrated program. In addition to this, 2020 integrated program, but we are also not discounting 2 year and 1 year. In addition to 4 year BA program, 2 year BA program, this kind of that will also continue. And 1 year BA program will also be there. And you will be very happy that you have wasted 1 year. 1 year BA program is not for you. 2 year BA program will be for those who have completed graduate degree, 4 year integrated graduate degree. You must have completed graduate degree 3 years. But those who have completed graduate degree in 4 years, according to National Education Policy, will be given chance to be student of 2 year BA program. And 1 year BA program will be for those who have specialized master degree and completed 4 year integrated graduation. So why is that we want our teachers to be not only qualified all around, because the teacher has to carry out so many activities, which have those activities to really help the learners, students, to become a good citizen of the society, all around development will be there of the personality. So in this way, the BA 2 years will also continue for those who have completed graduation 4 years integrated graduate degree, and it will also be for those 1 year BA program for master's course and those who have completed 4 year integrated degree master of 1 year. So the 4 year integrated BA program will be for the plus 2 level students. So this is the way how the teacher education program are there. And let me share with you that now we have a teacher education program at for different level. We have the B.Ed elementary level, we have the nursery teacher study program, we have the B.Ed, all this elementary level, and the nursery level will be abolished. There will be 1 degree only integrated one, and under that there will be specialization for elementary, secondary, and the even the nursery teaching. So the next one is, and for admission, now what is happening, one university is conducting entrance. What we call CET is there. Now, how to maintain the quality standard and to have good students for the BA program so that they become really effective teachers. It is recommended the admission should be covered by the national level or national testing agency NTA. And the national testing agency will conduct the admission test, and according to the requirement of the state or university, the students will be admitted. So the basic level to have a teacher testing of the teacher aptitude, intelligence, and other subject knowledge, this national testing agency will also be taking minimum standard. So national testing agency will be administering a test, and after that, the admission will follow. The second thing is very important for teacher education, the faculty profile. We have the faculty MA NET 5, MSc NET 5. Now, absolutely there. In addition to this, we will also ensure that teaching faculty who have been appointed must have a good profile in terms of the innovation, good practices, and also a research experience. So it will be faculty profile, and every year this profile is called to be. And for that, we talk about the PhD. And PhD, if you have done a PhD in chemistry, you can be appointed to integrated PhD program. But while doing PhD in any discipline, what is more important, during PhD, your teaching experience will also be there. While doing the research, your teaching should be ensured. So if you are doing PhD in any discipline, humanity or science, and then what is more important, you also have teaching experience doing your PhD work also. And that experience nowadays, when you are doing PhD, research experience is not enough. But this PhD or the teaching experience are also involved in research. Both the things will be given the teaching experience as well as the research experience. So what all these things, so mentoring all these things, they will be a large number of outstanding experts, the senior officers and the senior faculty members, the panel at the national level, they will mentor all these things to guide these students and helping faculty to improve the profile. The purpose of this is to have a quality education among the faculty also, and obviously when faculty has a quality aspect, competencies there, effectiveness there will be obviously will be transferred to the teachers' training also. Then comes the curriculum structure. Because curriculum plays very, very important. We have a lot of recommendation how the curriculum can be defined. But here, the curriculum will be designed after a lot of consultation. And CTE has already initiated this construction of curriculum. We have a curriculum, but we will program. You represent students who are very happy. But this first year, we also have changed some 5 discipline change, and I think we also established a committee, and so chairman of that committee will be a program will be refined, not slightly, but we have recommended by defining the curriculum of teacher education program. At present also, the teacher educator or really the good practitioner in various self-financing colleges, they should also be involved. So you people who are teacher educators, this will also be involved in refinement. When you feel satisfied, then the refinement can be implemented effectively, otherwise no. For example, I come across the feedback, from various colleges that although semester system is there is no question of quality, even the course cannot be completed in such a short period. So implementation aspect is also very important. Or there, the important thing for the curriculum is time tested as well as the most recent technology in pedagogy that we use. Pedagogy plays very important. You design a curriculum in a very nice way, but curriculum cannot be done in effective ways, all our input goes to this. Therefore, the pedagogy, recent technology techniques in pedagogy, learner centered, the peer group, brainstorming, and how the technology can also enhance that will be taken care, it will be mentioned in a curriculum also. Besides your course content, the transactional strategy will also be mentioned. And second, including this pedagogy, we are giving something content. We also ensure among our teachers training that the sub-student, not only in the school level, the teachers should also give some chance to work in the community, especially to develop literacy and providing literacy to other people. So for that pedagogy approach we also mentioned that traditional social work is given to you, that please carry out in this way. Multi-level teaching and evaluation. Multi-level teaching and evaluation, I already mentioned multi-level. Yes, earlier we had teachers training program, different level, industry level, elementary level, secondary level, senior secondary level. Now, what will they want? Integrated program will be there, and we will talk about the multi-level learning, and accordingly teaching will teach in multi-level teaching, and accordingly the evaluation technique will also be taken care in the curriculum. Teaching children with disabilities. Therefore, the inclusion is very important. And it is the main emphasis in the national education policy, inclusion. Therefore, we can talk about the inclusion. So, inclusion, see, all the, because of friends and share with you, on the time we have the RT, right of education, and this RT can give a academic level. We are extending to the secondary level, but very soon we extend to senior secondary because of the higher education also. Therefore, what is more important, that teaching children according to their interest or training. Now we are selecting the teacher according to their qualification, etc. But sometimes what happens, a student interested in a teacher and has a basic students and mass parents. Education technology very important, especially its utilization. We have ICT, but ICT is also doing a lot. Why? Because we are not still confident how to utilize ICT in a proper way. Proper utilization of education technology is ICT is part of education technology. Learner centered cognitive learning is a new technique. Pedagogy, peer learning will also be included in the curriculum. Because what I am trying to do is that in addition to the curriculum, if we can have a level at the international level, we train because they are not really concepting that curriculum. So all these can be recommended in the education policy that should be there. And curriculum, practicum will play a very important practical aspect. And we have kept a provision of 50-50%. 50% theory and 50% weightage will be given to the practicum also. And we emphasize on all the exercises fundamentally duties and rights of Article 15 of the Constitution, which should be ensured. And finally, environment is very important, value education is very important aspect. So the curriculum will take what we call inner by designing the curriculum, the subject content, transactional strategy will take care of the awareness of the environment, and in addition to that, they also take care of the value system. And further, just to ensure, beside this curriculum, just to ensure whether the curriculum has been comes up with the right direction or not, or that new cooperation national curriculum framework, I just mentioned the NCT initiative. We have the NCT National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education, 2020 is still continuing, and now the 21 new curriculum will come, especially for the integrated program. And NCT is working hard. And basically, we are preparing teachers teaching in school level, so NCERT curriculum which is there will also be taken care of. NCERT will be input or consideration for national curriculum framework for teacher education. NCT will also input NCERT, LCT with the help of experts will develop a new curriculum framework. And this curriculum framework will be well tested. It will not be provided immediately, but it will be implemented on a pilot basis. After that, it will be really implemented to all the teacher education quality. So NCERT, National Curriculum Framework Teacher Education 2021, will also factor a quality of teacher education towards quality. And in addition to that, and teacher has completed this BA program, he all the time mentioning the like continuous professional development. We know we are doing various continuous program. For example, central schools, we are going 6-month program also, and we also 3 months certificate of professional development program. Because why is 3 months? Like for example, you are a chemistry teacher, you feel that I want to program accreditation of my subject content or new curriculum is now. In the 3 months program, certificate program, upgrade your profession in particular subject. And you are interested to upgrade yourself in the latest pedagogic techniques, other subject. But still you are interested, they want to be a professional learning all the area, then you know will be there. So for that, it's not a local teacher education program and national level program. So why local? Because some of the programs may not be effective because the local aspect will affect them. So according to the state level, according to the requirement, the bodies, university level, the shorter local teachers can program to enhance insights professional development. And also the certificate program is pedagogy of teaching, international level of teaching, we take care, and this is part of the CP for this professional development program, and this all has been taken very good aspect. Then after that curriculum, next thing comes the assessment evaluation. Evaluation is the assessment of the students who are in school, because you will be really working at the school level, so how to assess the competency of the student. And those who are theoretic students are creating one, they should of course be promoted, and paying respect to the country art. Therefore, at the school level, message National Achievement Survey, NAS, our student learning level, and this can be assessed by a center, and this center we will do our product you want to assessment, and product will be given the day. This product is standard quality always to be mentioned, will be developed by NCR. This assessment of the student will not be confined to the newspaper, where teacher educator will also get a opportunity for that in higher education student. The university will develop a national assessment system type survey, having a certain criteria to judge whether you are getting credit, when you add done a UOT work, so the higher education will also have a criteria-based grading system, and then grading of the faculty will also be improved. So in this way, our assessment all the time, emphasis will be on CC. May I share with you that continuous compensation is there, but not implementing the very direction. But now, the government of India has taken a very strong plea. Even the highest examination like IBS, the ID member, BPSCR, and IS personality selected finally ready for appointment. Now, before that, a letter will be sent to the college and the school where the candidate is studying for 3 years, and the call of CC will be asked from the school and the colleges. CC is not only the achievement in the subject content, but in achievement in non-communication, whether punctuality, dedication, commitment, honesty, all these matters and all, it has become a really committed officer. So at this level, all level, maybe education, school level, CC, that is compensation will be exercised, and we are always trying to implement in terms of the grading system. Then another quality, which is a very important component for teachers, quality component for teachers, research also. Teachers will also be recommended for research work, and I do realize that teachers and even teacher educators are overburdened because there is a lot of work. According to marks, 16 teacher educators are required at the school, more teachers are required, especially private movement, just to carry out the work. You have a lot of work, you are not particular teacher educator. Therefore, the real quality aspect will suffer research cannot be carried out. And for that, if you carry out the research, you will give credit for that it has been proposed in national education policy. Academic bank of credit will be done. When you carry out any innovation, good practices, any action research, you submit your paper with that, and your credit will be there. So whenever you go for interviewing any organization from the country, outside the country, the academic bank of credit will be open out, the name will be there, and they can find out how much innovative action and good practice you are carrying out. So academic credit is not expected to complete your academic credit, so many credit within a year. From your career, keep on adding, and the maximum one is not a question of year of experience. It will be given incentive to credit comes to a large extent. So undertaking community will be there, the compulsory thing, but MPhil will be discounted. MPhil will not be there at all. After MA, the state will go to the PhD. MPhil, any subject, maybe chemistry, PhD students, I also mentioned that not only all the time committed and engaged in research work, one of the important things, but they are also expected to have teaching experience. The teaching experience, the matters are doing PhD in education, it is important for you, mandatory for you, is also expected to teach hours at bachelor. So they are doing PhD in university, MA student, student, so teaching experience is an important thing so that we can think of. Sometimes what happens, you are doing research, you are good research, but you are not education also. So all the time there was minimum 5 periods in a week. I was supposed to teach level, skill level, and field level. So that was one of the criteria. But now I understand it is continued, discontinued, but education policy has emphasized that in PhD you have to mention a degree whether there, degree to literature, so many teaching hours, so many degrees. Then the higher education institution focus on research and innovation, and especially comes to the granting to higher education institution. That from the granting of higher department level, it will be disseminated to the college of education, and the college also to promote innovation research on teacher educators. The technology is a very important one. The technology development centers will also be developed because all the teachers, teacher educators are expected to become a veteran of the technophobia, and technology should be properly utilized. So a center will help you to develop the software and according to the nature of technology, more you are using it. Better it goes, especially management, etc. Our industry is school level, other exclusive. We also have a input from the industry, so and all the practical work will be related to the basics of the practices where teacher, practitioner are really working. So all industry and schools will also have a strong academic communication also. And we have in a fortunate that all our students are taking training in the school. But in other courses, we are science one, and we must have related to the research lab or to industry. So especially venture and all the time necessary industry research. I mentioned that the new education policy emphasis on the technology is going to be a very important role. But friends, let me share with you very frankly and clearly that nobody can replace good teachers. Technology is just to facilitate good teachers available to others. If you are a good teacher of this institution or a particular school, through technology, your studies can be disseminated to other students. For example, we have courses in 51 countries. You come to my studio, you are a good teacher, my dear students are in 51 countries. You go to the studio to satellite, your expertise, your lecture, your presentation is made available. So what is more important, technology is basically a vehicle. And important thing is you own software, the script you develop it, presentation, how you take care of the psychological aspect, psychological learning, how to carry out the concept mapping, what are illustration examples are there, how the learning centered approach is being applied, all these things matter. So, but technology is very, very important, especially government that. The technology, online classes were there. The CRT has conducted research, and I be a member of advanced body architect in CRT. You will surprise to know that 90% failure is there as far as online classes are. Why? Because infrastructure is not available. Students are not well trained how to ensure the utilization of the technology. Teachers are not trained for that. And the type of teaching going on, no quality teaching. So what is done is to ensure the proper utilization of technology, using and integration, and autonomous implementation and integration of technology through and the basic purpose of this forum will be to upgrade professional aspect of not only teacher, educator, teachers, all the fields, as far as the assessment, evaluation, planning, administration, at school level, higher education to ensure all the time they are giving input, and in CPD, they input will be made available to the teachers who undergo this professional development program. Variety of education software law. I share with you that I am proud to be Indian. India is the only country in the world. This country is providing two satellites for education purpose. But it's very unfortunate. The state will tell me the name of the satellite is included. But when you ask the candidate, or the professor level, name the satellite which is used for education program, when they go for assessment. And how much hours we have a facility for them now the satellite, most of the constable. Satellite is very important, and unfortunately we are proud because the government of India is dedicated in improving the nodal agency. But we have a program of only 4 hours to feed 20 hours education satellite. हम मेरे पास 4 घंटे का program. Why? Because our teacher educators, our professors, our teachers, experts, they are not coming in the software aspect, the skill aspect. So therefore, this national education technology program will also facilitate to have this variety of education software. And students with different learning needs are there. Same topic, how this same topic will be taught to different level styles students. So we have a variety of educational software, different category of students and teachers, different level levels. Teaching learning content will continue to develop by all these teams. Now, regional level, it will not only be English and Hindi, all regional languages, the part of the body will be there, and the experts on the job will be CRT, University is able to offer MBA program, master program, and other important things because yesterday we were discussing with artificial intelligence allows us to do. So just in a sort of exercise, practice with this how to work on the problem of artificial intelligence. And appropriate university cases, just like I already told you, IGNOU, IIT, IITs will be involved in such good program. And the online education system, training teachers, Chinese teachers training in another language teachers for CPT, information and tourist education. Digital repository will also be there because digitalization is going to take a very important place. Education policy and also be there, and all the education programs will be available. All the languages will be and finally, e-learning will also be there for the time to study. The other virtual labs will also be developed because if some of these institutions they don't have facility for real lab, the virtual labs will be there. And the program is online program will be available. So that can meet the problem that comes to the student. And if reality is not there, please provide this program through this platform. There will be the enrichment programs also that can easily be understood. And I already mentioned about prior concept for providing incentive. And these are the main steps which I would like to share with you that the national education policy has emphasized on the teachers, the recruitment, the service conditions, the incentives, the quality, the assessment, or teacher education, or nature of the curriculum, how many types of the teacher education programs need to be offered, how the quality of teacher education is to be maintained, also with the entry level of the teacher educators who create and provide research and teaching experience, and the role of technology, evaluation, research is a very important component. All the time we have to engage ourselves, all the university level authority and the corporate authority must ensure that the appropriate opportunity is provided to all teachers and teacher educators during their service conditions, especially for example, your 8 periods in a school. You don't have a time to have the research work innovation to be done. At least one day to be spared for the teachers to go for innovative programs. Or one day may not be given exclusively, so at least 4 or 5 periods for teaching, other 5 periods, or to research work, other activities like involved in election periods or other than this stop at all. Only the academic activities. Service conditions should also be improved, and to have a good professional and trend in a particular profession at national level, and we make national testing agency will be there. And our unemployment after doing professional work, sometimes we stress out for doing employment. So So the number of the seats available in the college will be according to this already existing vacancy, and the responsibility of the state and national college to create a vacancy, then ask the university and college to have so many seats in the professional program. As soon as the training completed that professional program will get applied. So the first station is out there. But teachers, improvement, incentive will be there, and credit system is there to find their achievement. So these are the important aspects of national education policy related to the teachers and teacher educators. With this, I will stop here and request you to put any question, anyone, any query on this. Because the other aspect, I think, may not be necessary at this moment. Please, come forward, any question, any
Thank you, sir, for giving us such comprehensive knowledge. We all have been witness of these education reforms and feel proud to be part. Please give a big round of applause for this wonderful and informative session on policies related to teacher and teacher education. We would now like to have a discussion in order to reflect upon the new education policy 2020. The new NEP 2020 will change the face and future of teacher education in India. In this discussion, we will have a better and elaborate understanding of the impact and discuss the challenges that would occur in its implementation. So this discussion is open for audience questions or comments. We will also keep in checking our chat box for questions. I think what we really wanted to do was get into the heart and soul of NPE. Thank you so much. We will now go through the chat box for the questions.
they are expecting from proper implementation. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन हम
Dr. Karni by Karmalki wants to ask something. Dr. Kelly, can you hear me? Dr. Kelly? Dr. Kelly, your voice is not audible. Can you please write your question in the chat box so that we can ask the question from Professor MC Sharma sir?
Please welcome.
As I was going through your policies, the teachers who have already graduated and have already passed, but not through CCE pattern. But if they think of going for further, how will their credentials will be incorporated in the new system?
I already mentioned that we have a shortlist teachers professional development program. If any teacher is not familiar, not comfortable with CC, a shorter program will be provided to that teacher to let them go. We have the certificate program in CC, we also have a long duration program also. And in long duration, certain practice will be given in a practical situation. Teacher will ask to the school and carry out the CC evaluation. Practicum will be there, and all the important components of CC will be elaborated in terms of theory and practical students. What is happening? Suppose you are a teacher, so you have completed 1 year BEd program. Now the new education policy, national education policy is come up, and they also teach the inclusive education, and they were not trained for it. So for that, the school also, with the recommendation and request of the ministry of HRD, we have started programs for general teachers who are trained for 1 year, how to take care of inclusive education, how to teach students.